So special, unforgettable. 50 Cent, Just Dance, Timberland, damn. She want it, I wanna give it to her. She know it, it's right here for her. I wanna see you break it down. I'm ballin', throwing money around. She work it, girl, she'll work the pole. She'll break it down, she'll take it low. She find herself, she bout to throw. She doing a thing out on the floor. Her money, she make it. Look at the way she shaking, make you wanna touch it, make you wanna taste it. How you lust before I go crazy, face it now, don't stop. Get it, the way she shake it, make you wanna hit. You think she double jointed from the way she spit it, got your hip from the way she did it. She's so much more than you used to. She knows just how to move to seduce you. She gon' do the right thing and touch the right spot. You dance in your lap till you're ready to pop. She always ready when you want it. She want it like a. The info, I show you where to meet her. On the late night, the daylight, the club. Jump in if you want a good time. She gon' give you what you want. Let me talk to you.
Baby, you're so new age. You're like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's got the purple haze and spotlights don't think you're justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down and talk to me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She wants it, she wants it, she wants it. So I gotta give it to her. She wants it, she wants it, she wants it. So I gotta give it to her.
Your thighs, they got me hypnotized in the throw your hips. Your thighs, they got me hypnotized in the throw your hips. Your thighs, they got me hypnotized in the throw your hips. Your thighs, they got me hypnotized in the throw your hips. Got a thing for that thing she got, the way she make me tick, the way she make it pop, make it brain for us, just don't stop. Ain't got to move, I can sit and watch. In a fantasy, it's plain to see just how it be. Run me, backstroking, sweat soaking all into my set sheets. When she's ready to ride, I'm ready to roll. I'll be on this bitch till the club close. What should I do? One thing on all fours. Now that this should be against the law. From side to side, left to right, break it down. You know I like when you hike and you throw it all around. Different style, different move. Damn, I like the way you move. Girl, you got me thinking about all the things I do to you. Let's get it poppin', shorty. We can switch positions from the couch to the counters in my kitchen.
Baby, you're so new age. You're like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's got the purple haze and spotlights don't think you're justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why don't you sit down and talk to me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. She wants it, she wants it.
Get away! Get away! Get your dog away! Action! Movement! Yeah. Yeah.
Just doing some obedience with Lazarus. Look at how beautiful he looks.
Good boy.
He's fed exclusively now on cold pressed food. And it's doing wonders for him.
Good. Yes, good boy.
He's looking superb.
Good. Sit. Flat. Good. Good boy. Good lad. Sit. Flat. Good. Good boy. Sit. Flat. Good. Good lad.
it's really wonderful to see this female. She's literally just transferring to the bite suit, doing so incredibly well. I love the breed, and the mother line that we have here, Rosa, is something special.